Tariki 5 mweri uyu niguo acirithania mugwanja igoti tugiru maheanire itua ria guteaniria cira uria wahanditwo wa kuregana na moimirira ma githurano kinene na makiranira ati ihinda-ini ria thiku 21 ni makurekereria itua irikiru ria gutariria kiria giatumire mateanirie cira uyu na umuthi itua riri ni riheanirwo.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Supreme Court of Kenya.
Na hari mendekithia maria acirithania mugwanja igoti riri maheanire ma makinya maria mabatie ni gutacukio niguo kugacirithia mihang'o ya ithurano guku bururi-ini mathenya maria mari thiini wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka Iebc ni mahithuranitio ni igoti riri na riendekithia ati bunge ya bururi ni ibatie ni gutabania mogaruruku ma mitaratara na mawatho ma uria Iebc irutaga wira niguo guthinga mianya ino.
The Supreme Court judgment today is a testimony that the Commission conducted a free, fair, transparent and credible general election that met the democratic aspirations of the people of Kenya.
Hamwe na uguo Iebc ni yathitwo gutigirira kuri na watho rathathaura mahinya na wira wa makamishna na kumatigithukania na aruti wira oro muthenya thiini wa Iebc.
Chairperson on his part did not make matters any better by maintaining a stoic silence even as things appeared to be falling apart. All this, in our view, points to a serious malaise in the governance of an institution entrusted with one of the monumental tasks of midwifing our democracy, an institution that obviously needs far-reaching reforms.
Na wigie nganje ria yeyumirire hari uria mitambo yahuthirirwo hindi ya githurano, Iebc ni yathitwo gutigirira ati mundu wothe urikoragwo na rutha rwa kuingira thiini wa mitambo ya Iebc abatie ni gukorwo ari muruti wira wa kamiti ino na ningi Iebc itigithukanie mitambo ya wira wayo wa oro muthenya na ya kwanirira moimirira ma githurano.
The technology deployed by Iebc failed the standard of Article 86A of the Constitution on integrity, verifiability, security and transparency.
Iebc ningi ni yuritio gucenjia fomu cia 34 niguo gukorwo na handu ha kuonania ni kura cigana cia thuka hindi ya githurano.
We reiterate that rejected votes cannot be taken into account when calculating whether a presidential candidate attained 50% plus one of the votes cast.
Igoti tugiru ni riendekithĩrio gwa cira uyu niguo kuheana ihinda ria kuigana hari umwe na kuheana wira waguo. Kwa ihinda riri igoti rikoragwo na ihinda ria thiku 14 guthikiriria na gutuithania cira uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngojiri.